Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 5th August 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 10 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. Which city tops as world's largest city by population? Answer is Tokyo. Tokyo, city of Japan, with the population of 37,194,105, holds the title of the largest city in the world in terms of population as of 2024. Tokyo was followed by Delhi, in India, Shanghai, in China, Dhaka, in Bangladesh, and Sao Paulo, in Brazil. As the world's second largest city, Delhi's population is 32,941,309. Question number 2. Which state government has launched the Mukhyamantri Maya Samman Yojana? Answer is Jharkhand. The Hemant Soren government in Jharkhand has launched the Mukhyamantri Maya Samman Yojana to provide financial assistance to eligible women in the state. In this yojana, eligible women beneficiaries receive 1,000 rupees per month from the state government directly in their bank accounts. Women in the age group of 21 to 50 years are eligible for the scheme. Question number 3. Who is the first choice of Gaganyatri of ISRO for the International Space Station ISS mission? Answer is Shubhanshu Shukla. The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, has announced the names of the two Indian Gaganyatri for the forthcoming joint India-United States of America mission to the International Space Station ISS. According to the ISRO, the National Mission Assignment Board has selected Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla as the prime Gaganyatri and Group Captain Prasant Balakrishnan Nair as the backup Gaganyatri. Question number 4. Which state's Hindon Air Force Station stands as Asia's largest Air Force station in 2024? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. The Hindon Air Force Station, located near the Hindon River in Uttar Pradesh, stands as Asia's largest Air Force station in 2024. Spanning 55 square kilometers, it serves as a cornerstone of India's air defense strategy under the Western Air Command, established in 1932. The Hindon Air Force Station, followed by Duyu Air Base in China, Gwadar Air Base in Pakistan, and Hamamatsu Air Base in Japan. Question number 5. Who has become first male Indian shuttler to qualify for the semi-finals of an Olympics? Answer is Laksha Sen. Shuttler Laksha Sen defeated his Chinese Taipei opponent Chou Tianchen to qualify for the semi-finals at the Paris Olympics 2024. With this, Laksha Sen became the first male Indian shuttler who qualified for the semi-finals of an Olympics. India have never won an Olympic gold medal in badminton, with PV Sindhu claiming a silver and bronze at the Rio and Tokyo Olympics, and Saina Nehwal securing a bronze in the London Games. Question number 6. Who become first Black and South Asian woman to win Democratic presidential nomination? Answer is Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris has won the Democratic presidential nomination. Democratic National Committee Chair Jaime Harrison announced her win. With this, Harris is the first Black and first South Asian woman to be a major U.S. political party's White House nominee. If she wins against Republican nominee Donald Trump in November, she will be the first female president of the United States. Question number 7. How much area of Western Ghats has been declared eco-sensitive by central government? Answer is 56,800 square kilometers. environmentalists and eco-warriors have welcomed the reissuance of the sixth draft notification, declaring over 56,800 square kilometers of the Western Ghats across 6 states. Accordingly, it proposed ecologically sensitive area, ESA, of 20,668 square kilometers in Karnataka, 17,340 square kilometers in Maharashtra, 6,914 square kilometers in Tamil Nadu, 1,461 square kilometers in Goa and 449 square kilometers in Gujarat, and recommended prohibiting or regulating certain human activities in those areas. Question number 8. Who has recently become the second largest supplier of LNG in India? Answer is USA. In 2023, the United States emerged as the second largest supplier of liquefied natural gas, LNG, to India, surpassing the United Arab Emirates, supplying 3.09 million tons in 2023. Qatar remained India's largest LNG supplier from 2019 to 2023, with shipments peaking at 10.92 metric tons in 2023. The US also emerged as the world's largest LNG exporter in 2023. Question number 9. Who has launched the Price Monitoring System version 4.0 mobile app? Answer is Prahlad Joshi. Department of Consumer Affairs, Government of India, has included 16 additional commodities under price monitoring from 1st August, said Union Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution and New and Renewable Energy, Prahlad Venkatesh Joshi, while launching the version 4.0 Price Monitoring System mobile app in New Delhi. Already 22 commodities were being covered under monitoring of daily prices. Now, price of total 38 commodities will be monitored. Question number 10. Who has provided a $200 million for India's solid waste management? Answer is ADB. The Asian Development Bank, ADB, has committed a $200 million loan to improve solid waste management and sanitation in 100 cities across 8 states in India. This funding is part of the Swachh Bharat Mission 2.0 Comprehensive Municipal Waste Management in Indian Cities program. The loan agreement was signed by Juhi Mukherjee, Joint Secretary of the Finance Ministry, and Mio Oka, Country Director for ADB India Resident Mission. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.